Tesla driver from 2018 crash was had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along the highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Kia Motors to start exports through Chennai port from September 20. South Korean carmaker Kia Motors will begin exporting vehicles manufactured at its new Anantapur plant via the Chennai Port Trust. The first lot, which is expected to be shipped on September 20, will contain 500 vehicles and the volume will be increased gradually. Kia Motors India COO Jong-soo Kim said the company manufactured 6,000 cars in the first month. Fall in monthly passenger vehicle sales in August, worst ever since 1998. India's monthly passenger vehicle sales recorded the steepest fall in August. As per Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, SIAM, data released today, passenger vehicle sales plunged 31.57% year-on-year to 196,524 units in August, falling for the 10th straight month, while passenger car sales fell 41.09% to 115,957 units. It's the worst ever fall since SIAM began recording data in 1997-98. Ashok Leyland plans to see non-working days in September. Midweek demand. Ashok Leyland on Monday announced non-working days at its various manufacturing facilities during September 2019 following continued weak demand for its products. Last month, TVS Group, Sundaram Clayton, Maruti Suzuki and Hero Motocorp had announced a suspension of production at their facilities. Tata Motors and Mahindra also said they're suspending manufacturing amid weak demand.